help, my baby's not moving. What do I do? I get it when we see a baby lying there and playing maybe with the toy bar, we think that everything is kosher, right? We can't look at movement anymore or actions as functional movement. Just sitting there, lying there, playing. We need more. Now, I don't know how old this baby is. This is a problem, guys. When you do posts and so forth, and you connect posts, and so you're anonymous. I don't know who it connects with, and I don't have the old reels up, so I don't know how old the baby is, but I'm going with approximately, let's say, 4 months-ish to 5 months. But still, the qualities of movements, it doesn't matter, weren't there. You did not have a good tummy time. You're not rolling over, and you're not grabbing your feet. And now we're going into what should be at 5.5 months independent sitting, and there's too many gaps of information. But it's not that it's gaps of milestones, it's gaps of the qualities that you're looking for, and it's just not optimal. By the way, love Scotland. Gosh, that was great being there. One day I'll get back, but not for work. I'll go there for pleasure. I heard the Scotland in the TV. So I was just there, October? So when you're working with your child, right, all you're seeing is this. And I get it, there's action, but there's no action. And so I really want to work on it. And then 2, what concerns me is the fisting of the left hand. Right hand. That has to get undone. So when you're working with your child, you've got to go into the support program. We've got to start working on the tummy time. Your child doesn't have balance through even in lying down. How do I know that? Because you're not going into horizontal locomotion of rolling over. If the child was more stable in the tummy times and so forth, but again, with the fisted hand, and now you want that to roll over, this is where we have it. I don't know if it's from birth complications or what's going on. So I'll need more information, but with the tummy time that you have to work on, you're looking for a head lift. What you don't have is midline crossing, right? If there's no midline crossing, the head's not coming up. So what you're looking for is this, the midline crossing. What you have is this, or even more so, where the tush is coming up and the baby's getting stuck. And so in the tummy time course, you really want to concentrate on that weight transfer of the hands and going across and going here through the middle of the back. That's what you're working on, right? And then for the rolling over course, going into that next, and that's what's going to be in the support program, right? Your next goal is to start getting that sternum to cross midline. If these 2 things aren't accomplished, you're going to start continuing to see complications. Why? Because you also have a really big baby. But these kind of movements need to come in here first. Don't go to opening up the hands. If there was respiratory distress at all during birth, that first breath or during the first 3 months, please start with the breathing course, then go into the tummy time and the rolling over. And I want follow-up videos in about 2 weeks' time, because I want rolling over accomplished by then, and I want to see what's going on.